Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Israel Defense Force ha kami jong kasingiba kala pentep ba kajing sha ther jong kowe ko hospital ha Gaza Strip ha kabada ki spa ngot ki bri kila sha penyam kade ka jing le jong kenhun pentrim Islamic Jihad kadkom ka khubor na kate ka kenhun ki sipai Israel la ong bahadien bala pet benya ki kor ki bor jong ka IDF la iba kala dan ka jing ther jong ki babun tli ki rocket ya ki Israel makini ki rocket ki lahir najan jong hospital ha kapor bakla sha thambor kalau ong ru bakat kum ki khubor sentiat bala lum na ki babun ki liang kekenhuan pentriam Islamic Jihad kadai ka bala dan kti banther ya kita ki rocket ka bala let dairu ha ka hospital kila dan ha pedeng arspa adu lai spa ngut ki bri bala du no ela ki ying kisam kila sha penyap ha ka jing sha ther bom na ki ling sun ha ka Israel ha phalor jongka Ali Arab Hospital ha Central Gaza la ong ka tanat ka kot ka kya jongka Palestine hinin ka miet kalau ong ru badai ki spa ngut ki wei pat kidang sakut Hagajing tuan, hagajing kalam jong kate ko hospital. Hagaway pat kalyang, kaladan kajing kudaw kti halor manu batheri ubam hagate ko hospital. Kakenhuan pentriam Hamas kala keno bagi di kisipay Israel kibala theri ubam kibala siyemya kumba sans paangut kimin siyembriyo.
I want to give you an announcement of the event that occurred in the hospital in Gaza. I can confirm that an analysis of the IDF operational systems indicates that a barrage of rockets was fired by terrorists in Gaza, passing in close proximity to the Al-Hali Al-Ma'adi hospital in Gaza at the time it was hit. Intelligence from few sources that we have in our hands indicates that the Islamic Jihad is responsible for the failed rocket launch which hit the hospital in Gaza. I repeat, this is the responsibility of Islamic Jihad that killed innocents in the hospital in Gaza.